Good morning. It is 9:30 almost, and within half an hour I'm going to ride with my friend who is about to arrive any minute now. We arrive to the Noordkaap. So the first day is to ride to the harbor in Groningen. From there we go to Christiansand tonight, and tomorrow we're going to ride to Lieseboten, and from there with the ferry take us further inland, and we hope to end near Saudi, a little place below Bergen. From there we're going wild camping, because I saw in iOverlander that there was actually no camping room. So it's going to be the first night in the wild, I guess. So yeah, I'm very excited and happy to go on the trip. Took a lot of planning, so well, let's find out and join us on the ride. Hoi. Als het goed is die van ons alle twee. Dat hoop ik ook. Dat is hem.
Twee motoren en ik kijk even naar de...
Ja. Tot.
Nummer van de hut.
Ja.
Sleutel van de hut. Sleutelgrond vergissen van staan ook maaltijden bij ons.
Ja.
Bij de rest.
Nou, ja, top. Gaan we doen. Dankjewel. Hoi! Ja, nou, Nederlands mag ook.
Afstand naar die meneer naar zijn motor gaan vinden. Dan ben leuk.
Ja, Belgische meneer. Ja, toppie. this is the room. And this is the view of the ocean. Oh no, we don't have any windows. And the bathroom. Oh, toilet.